Good day po mga bayang karerista. November 12, 2025, Wednesday at Philippine Jockey Club. Start time at 5 p.m. Start na po tayo, race number 1. Dito sa race number 1, halos lahat bago. Pera lang kay numero 7, Mendel Bell na matagal na itong tumatakbo. Nagbase lang ako sa prueba. Kaya yung first choice ko yung couple entry numero 3, Fly with the Wind at 3A Speed of Sound. Ito si Speed of Sound lang medyo nakita ko ng maganda prueba. Saka nakuha ko yung takbo nito. Na pwede kong i-upload pagkatapos dito sa race number 1. Nagpreba to nasa 1.13. Second choice ko na yung numero 4, Lap in the Rain. Ito, nakailan takbo na rin to sa PJC. Bali ang inano ko, nakakuha ko lang yung takbo nito, yung kala Perpetuator. In-upload ko din para magkaroon po kayo ng idea. Tingin ko tong numero 4, ito pwedeng makalaban ng couple entry na numero 3. Kaya po sa race number 1, in-upload ko po yung takbo ni Speed of Sound saka ni Lap in the Rain para magkaroon po kayo ng idea kung paano sila tatayan. Kaya po sa race number 1, pampremera ko po yung numero 3, Fly with the Wind, 3A Speed of Sound. Second choice ko po yung numero 4, Lap in the Rain.
So they go round a little later on today. They're off and running. Very awkward start on the inside. Secret Monitor, well, he jumped sideways. Laugh in the Rain was out fairly well after all that, but taking the lead on settling down was Perpetuator. And he leads from Laugh in the Rain, who travels keenly on the outside of him. Darting up on the inside of them was Jaw Dropping, and a long way back to Secret Monitor, who completely blew it all at the start. They're going pretty quick here as they run towards the 800 metres, and the leader on the inside now, Jaw Dropping, joined again by Perpetuator on the outside, and they cut away by 7 and 8 lengths. Laugh in the Rain's not going that well, and just starting to tack on his Secret Monitor as they run towards the home corner. These two going together on the outside. Perpetuator, he travels keenly on the inside. Jaw Dropping, and they cut away by 7 and 8 lengths to Laugh in the Rain. You can forget about Secret Monitor. They're in the straight. They run to the 250 on the inside. Jaw Dropping, taken on by Perpetuator. The outside, Perpetuator looks to be going the better, and he starts to edge away. Running on strongly right down the outside is Laugh in the Rain, flying home, but Perpetuator beats Laugh in the Rain. Third is going to be Jaw Dropping, and Secret Monitor, unfortunately, he blew it all at the start, and he finished a long and lonely last. So a good effort there by the 4, Perpetuator, J.L. Pano, and he rode for June Sevilla, Jesse Gousset, the trainer. And he takes the trial out. Gee, good run by Laugh in the Rain. He was certainly a handful to get into the gates, but he made up a lot of ground late, and he'll run second for NC Luna, Puch Puyat, the owner, Anthony Henson, the trainer. And Jaw Dropping, he wasn't asked to do a lot in the trial, but he ran on reasonably well. Jeffrel Zarate for Joseph Dahenko, and Dante Salazar, the trainer. So that's the first of the afternoon over for you. And there's our winner there.
Oh, way to go. Go, G, go. Fast to begin. Gets away. Barely lead, and then here comes Glenda's Magic down on the inside. So it's Jewel of the Nile and Glenda's Magic in an early showdown. Then an open gap of 5 lengths back to Compassion. Go, G, go. Drops back
second last, and he's 8 lengths away from the leader. And running at the tail of the field, that's Speed of Sound, or that's Jewel of the Nile. Speed of Sound is way in front, now by about 3 lengths over Glenda's Magic, who's running in second. Compassion is trying to get closer in third, but he's 2 lengths away from Glenda's Magic, and another open gap of 5 lengths to Go G Go. Then here comes Jewel of the Nile. Speed of Sound is still
comfortably leading the field by about 8 lengths now. Over Compassion to take second. Glenda's Magic now drops back in third. Then here comes Jewel of the Nile now to take third.
Speed of Sound is still traveling with ease in front, and the jockey is in a handy position. It's Speed of Sound over Compassion, then here comes Jewel of the Nile with a late charge. But it's the stable runner of Jewel of the Nile. It's Speed of Sound finishing first over Compassion. Jewel of the Nile third. Goji Go and Glenda's Magic is last to finish. And that is your winner, Speed of Sound, with E.A. Abreu.
Sa race number 2 na po tayo. Pampremera ko dito yung numero 5. Malibo Bell. Tingin ko baka ito bumandera dito. Pag ito nauna at hindi kagad hinabol nila Levitating saka ni Seychelles to sa una, tingin ko malaki chance makatapos ng karera to. Itong numero 5 Malibo Bell. Second choice ko na rin po yung numero 6 Levitating. Ito siguro pwedeng humabol kay Malibo Bell. Third choice ko po yung numero 1. Ito mababa na sa laban. Yung nga lang hindi ko nakikita ng galing etong mga previous run niya. Pag naghabulan yung numero 5 at numero 6 dito papabor sa numero 1, Seychelles. Kaya po sa race number 2, pang-primera ko po numero 5, Malibo Bell. Second choice ko po numero 6, Levitating. Third choice ko po yung numero 1, Seychelles. Sa race number 3 na po tayo. Numero 6, She's Royal. Ito para po sa akin dito sa race number 3. So, soloyin ko na po to. Napakababa sa laban na itong kabayo na to. Tapos wala pa akong gaano nakikitang mabilis na pwede kagad humabol sa kanya. Problema nga lang dito 57, pero sa baba niya sa laban dito tingin ko kaya naman tumagal tong kabayo na to. Kaya po sa race number 6, itong numero 6, She's Royal, para po sa akin, sosolohin ko na po. Sa race number 4 na po tayo. Numero 4, Gemma Bell. Ito para ulit sa akin. Nalalamangan ako dito. Sosolohin ko na po ulit ito. Itong numero 4, Gemma Bell. Wala po kasi ako nakikita ulit na mabilis. Na pwede kagad magpahirap sa kanya sa unahan. Basta maganda lang isalida nito. Tingin ko malaki chance nito makatapos ng karera dito. Itong numero 4, Gemma Bell. Kaya po sa race number 4, itong numero 4, Gemma Bell, para po sa akin, sosolohin ko na po. Sa race number 5 na po tayo. Pampremera ko dito yung numero 6, Gin Genie. Maganda position niya, last to enter. Tingin ko, hindi may iwan sa largahan to gaano. Pag ito, maganda sinalida at nakasabay kagad kay Boy Wonder sa unahan. At kay Grand Monarch. Si Grand Monarch kasi hindi rin maganda sinasalida nito. Tingin ko babandera dito si Boy Wonder. Pag ito nakasabay kagad kay Boy Wonder tong si Gin Genie, tingin ko malaki chance na ito manalo dito. Yung numero 6, Gin Genie. Second choice ko po yung numero 4, Grand Monarch. Ito maganda lang din isalida. Tingin ko ito rin pwedeng kagad umabol kay Boy Wonder sa unahan. Kung may puhunan pa kayo, pwede nyo sama yung numero 1, Boy Wonder. Baka mapabayaan sa unahan kasi. Kaya pang-protection din kung may puhunan pa kayo. Pero dito sa race number 5, dalawa lang po pili ko. Yung numero 6, Gin Genie, pang-primera ko po. Second choice ko po yung numero 4, Grand Monarch. Sa race number 6 na po tayo. Pang-primera ko dito yung Di Banderang Kabayo. Numero 1, Over Assuming. Ito, Cambio Jinete, J.A. Gusina. Tingin ko wala nang pauunahin to. Pag eto nauna at hindi kagad hinabol nila borderline, tingin ko malaki chance makatapos ng karera to. Lalo na't maiksi po yung karera tapos bagong track lang to. Tingin ko malaki chance na ito manalo dito. Second choice ko po yung numero 2, Mabel. Ito sakaling pwedeng makinabang, sakaling habulin kagad ni borderline si Over Assuming. Tingin ko papabor dito kay numero 2, Mabel. Kaya po sa race number 6, pampremera ko po numero 1, Over Assuming. Second choice ko po yung numero 2, Mabel. Sa last race na po tayo. Bago nga po pala ako magbigay ng info ko dito sa last race, makikiusap po ulit po sana ako sa inyo na sana po mag-subscribe po kayo sa YouTube channel ko. At pakitap na rin po yung notification bell para updated kayo tuwing mag-upload ako ng mga infos at videos ko po dito. Arnel Racing Tips, maraming salamat po. Sa last race na po tayo, pampremera ko dito, numero 4, upscale bell. Ito maganda lang isalida at makasabay ka agad. Tingin ko malaki chance nitong manalo dito sa last race. Problema nga lang yung peso nito, 57. Pero tingin ko lamang pa rin dito to kahit mabigat ang peso. Itong numero 4, upscale bell. Second choice ko po yung numero 1, Spellbound. Ito, M.A. Alvarez. Tingin ko maganda itatakbo ngayon nito. Baka mag-umento tong kabayo na to. Ito na rin siguro pwedeng umupset kay upscale bell. Itong numero 1, Spellbound. Kaya po sa last race, sa race number 7, pampremera ko po numero 4, upscale bell. Second choice ko po yung numero 1, Spellbound. Yun lang po, and good luck and happy racing po mga bayang karerista. Yung mga pa-shoutout nyo po, bali sa Friday na lang po.